Hi, this is Diane from Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness with how to lower cholesterol naturally in 7 steps. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel where you'll find information on how to eat healthy, exercise strategies, and health tips. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for supporting my channel. So let's get started with the 7 steps you can take to lower cholesterol naturally. Step 1. Eat a low cholesterol healthy diet that reduces overall fat intake as well as saturated fats such as butter, eggs, and meats. Exclude foods with trans fats like donuts, cookies, cakes, and pastries. Replace vegetable oil with olive oil and include whole grains and omega-3 fish. One of the worst foods for high cholesterol are cheeseburgers and French fries with cholesterol of over 50% of the maximum daily cholesterol limit. The best cholesterol lowering foods are oatmeal, barley, oat bran, kidney beans, apples and pears, which contain soluble fiber that reduce cholesterol absorption in the intestines. Step 2. Exercise regularly for 30 minutes a day to decrease total cholesterol, raise good cholesterol levels, and prevent weight gain. Go for a fast run or jog, take a brisk walk, bike to work, or take a few laps in the pool. Step number 3. Maintain healthy weight. It's imperative to maintain a healthy weight because being overweight decreases good HDL levels and increases bad LDL levels as well as cholesterol levels. Set the right goals, focus on lifestyle changes, watch portion sizes, and reduce sedentary time. Step number 4. Eliminate addictive sweets, eliminate refined foods to decrease triglycerides and cholesterol production. Replace those high glycemic foods with naturally sweet fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Step number 5. Eliminate caffeine and cut out alcohol because they both elevate cholesterol. Replace with plain pure water or follow the no more than 1 a day rule. Step number 6. Smoking is a no-no because smoking raises your heart rate, damages your blood vessels, causes hardening of the arteries, thickening of the blood, restricts the blood flow, making your heart work harder, and possibly blood clots, increasing the risk for heart disease as well as stroke. Step number 7. Manage your stress levels because excess stress and high cholesterol levels are linked. So it's very important to take time to relax, meditate, release your burdens, seek happiness every day, enjoy your life, and control your stress levels. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video with a friend, please. I appreciate you supporting my channel. Bye-bye.